ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಫೈಲ್ಸ್ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ? ಫೋಟೋಸ್, ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಡೌನ್ಲೋಡ್ಸ್, ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಕ್ಯಾಟರ್ಡ್? Today I'll teach you a super simple way to organize your files neatly. Once you learn this, your computer life becomes so easy. ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಟು TeachMeAK, helping beginners learn computers easily. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಅಜಿತ್ and I teach computers in simple English ಮತ್ತು ಕನ್ನಡ. Today's lesson is video 8 of our beginner computer course and we are starting module 2, which is file management. This topic is very important for students, job seekers and office workers. Folder structure means arranging your files in a clean and organized way so you can find them easily when you need them. In this lesson, now kalitivi what is a folder structure, how to organize files properly, best folder naming practices, and simple rules to keep your computer clutter-free. Now, what is a folder? A folder is a digital container to store files, where it helps you keep the documents organized. It works like a physical file folder. Like you can create multiple folders for different needs. Now, why folder structure is important? When your files are organized, you find everything fast. You will not have any confusion. Computer becomes neat. Work becomes easier. Professional feel ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಆಫೀಸಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ತುಂಬ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. Always create separate main folders for different areas of your life. Example, documents, photos, videos, projects, school or office and personal. Different category, different folder. Simple, clean and easy. Main folder inside small folders create ಮಾಡಿ. Example, documents ಒಳಗಡೆ certificates, bills, bank, resume, photos ಒಳಗಡೆ travel, family, events, ಮತ್ತೆ projects ಒಳಗಡೆ school, office, personal. This keeps everything super organized. Folder names should be clear and meaningful. Avoid new folder, stuff, files, you useless. Use simple names, resume underscore 2025 ಅಥವಾ 10th underscore mark sheet ಅಥವಾ office underscore project. Clear names make life easy. Desktop ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫೈಲ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ. It becomes cluttered, computer becomes slow. Desktop is only for shortcuts, not storage. Use proper folders for your files. For project files or photos, use date format like 2025 underscore 01 underscore January or 2025 underscore project A underscore version 1. Date helps track old and new files easily. Important files always backup ಮಾಡಿ. Where? Like Google Drive, OneDrive, pen drive or external hard disk. Because backup is safety. Now quick recap friends. Folder structure is equal to organized storage. Create main folders, use subfolders, name clearly, avoid messy desktop, and lastly backup your files. Simple rules, but life becomes very easy. It's practice time. Create a documents folder with 5 subfolders, and secondly rename 3 messy folders into clear names. Try it and comment your experience. ನಾನು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. Thank you for watching. If you find this helpful, please like, share and subscribe to TeachMeAK channel. You can also download class notes from our learning groups. In the next video, we'll learn file search and sorting, very useful in day-to-day computer use. See you in the next